Hello, everybody. How's it going? Oopsies. That was weird. Let's fix that. So this here is this is just a quick tutorial for people who are doing the 30-day speaking challenge, the Never Freeze Again 30-day speaking challenge. This is the quick tutorial on how you can use Google Voice typing to track your progress in this challenge. So it's really, really easy. First step is you go to docs.google.com, just a website, docs.google.com, really easy. You sign in to your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you will have to make one, but of course it's free, it's very easy. Then you're going to see a document that looks something like this. Once we have that, we go to Tools, we click on Voice Typing, we select the language, whatever language you're learning, right? So I'll leave it on English. We click this big microphone. Hello, how's it going? My name is Albert Einstein, and I am now in Canada. Okay, there's our sentence, right? And for tracking purposes, because we're going to track our progress in this 30-day speaking challenge, we can go to Tools. We go to word count, display word count while typing. We click OK. Now in the bottom left corner, we can see exactly how many words I said for progress tracking purposes. Okay. We can also, if you look at this, if I highlight a certain number of words, that now updates in the bottom left corner. So you can, if you only want to highlight a certain number of words for any reason, that is an option. Okay. As a reminder, you're welcome to do your progress tracking by using just pen and paper. You can just, as you say each word, like make a little tick mark on paper. That's particularly helpful for beginners, not so much intermediate speakers. Intermediate, you probably talk too fast, but it can work for beginner speakers. That's also another option to track your word counts and your progress. Of course, you can use other voice to text software as well if you prefer. Okay. That's that. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.